Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Giraffe101 back with another video today. Today we have a Madden mobile pack opening and I will be completing a set later. We have a beginner's pack, an elite player pack, a quicksilver reward pack, and 7 pro packs. Here we go. We'll start with the beginner's pack. If you like the packs like this, leave a like and subscribe. And I'll be getting more pack openings such as like this one. Move on to the quick sell. This is ranging from 5,000 to 1,000,000. 17,000. Not too bad. Now we're on the pro packs. And the next pro pack. Ooh, a gold season star. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and share this video with your friends and tell them about my channel. I'll greatly appreciate that. We're getting a bunch of update teams. If you look at my team, it's pretty bad. I sold all my elites for the elite player pack opening that we did yesterday. I have another one for you guys today. That'll be at the end. Ooh, a specialist punter. So no elites out of the pro packs. But we are on to the final one, the biggie. The elite player pack. I'm going to cover the screen so you guys are going to see it first. Not Antonio Brown. Whoa! Let's go. That's one of the best base elites in the game. Let's go. Alright, now I'm gonna go complete a set. It's right here. Oh, and this one we have him. But we are able to complete this CFL legend Mike Vanderjagt. Kick 91 kick power, 92 kick accuracy. We'll go in my lineup right now. Woohoo! Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Actually, I'm going to the store and buy a couple more pro packs for you guys. Can EA clutch us out on our last pro pack with an elite? The gold or elite is right here. $75. Luis Delmas. Well, now we'll go look at my team overall when I update it. 3, 2, 1. I'm going from a 72 to a where I get a 90 rated special teams. 76. Yeah, I'm Commander John sitting in there. The Antonio Brown there, all my goals. So that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like these kinds of pack openings, drop a like and I'll bring them to you. But until my next video, peace out.